we've been studying quadrilaterals. We've been studying the
square, rectangle, rhombus, trapezoid, parallelogram.
Alright, we are going to do time, pair, share today. We've done this before. I'm going to number you number ones and number twos. When I call your name, you're going to be a number one or number two. Then you're going to match up with the person that I give a number two to. You ready? Natasha, Madeline, Christian, your number ones. Austin, Angela, Rowan, your number two. Angela and Austin be a partner. Madeline and Rowan be a partner. And Christian and Angela. Go ahead, find a spot. When we do time, pair, share, I'm going to give you 20 seconds to talk to your partner about each one of the quadrilaterals. When the timer goes off, or if I say stop, if you can't hear the timer, you're going to switch, and then we're going to talk about each quadrilateral. Ready? The first one you're going to talk about is the square. Go. Number one.
Okay. So the square has four sides, and they're all equal. It has a perfect 90-degree angle, two parallel lines.
Stop. Number twos. Tell number ones what you know about a square.
It has two equal sides. It has two parallel lines, and it has a perfect 90-degree angle. And
Keep talking.
Stop. All right, raise your hand and tell me. Can you tell me something about a square? Angela. Two pairs of parallel lines. Madeline.
Perfect 90-degree angle.
Perfect 90-degree angles. How many 90-degree angles?
4.
4. Good.
it has 4 equal sides.
4 equal sides. Perfect. All right, this time we're going to talk about the rectangle. Number twos are going to tell number ones first. So raise your hand if you're number 2. All right, 20 seconds. Ready? Go.
Okay. It has a right angle, 90-degree angle. It has 4 right 90-degree angles. Oh no. It has 4 equal sides. It has how many each side has each length.
Stop. Number ones, tell number twos what you know about a rectangle. Go.
Okay.
Rectangle is it's like a square, just really longer, and also a rectangle has 2 parallel lines. It also has
90-degree right. It's a 90-degree angle, and there's 4 sides that are 90 degrees. And
4 angles.
Or 4 angles.
Good.
And
Stop. Somebody, let's see. Rectangles. Who can give me one of the characteristics of a rectangle?
it's a 90-degree angle, and there's 4 90.
Good. 4 90-degree angles. Christian.
4 right angles.
4 right angles. Natasha.
There's 2 parallel lines.
2 parallel lines. And what about the sides? They are length, but they are what? Opposite sides are. Opposite sides are, who knows? Begins with a P. Parallel. Good. All right. Let's try one more. Let's try the trapezoid. Number one, start
what does
this
a
time.
trapezoid look like?
The trapezoid is
Isn't
the
it
red
red
shape.
Yeah, the little thingy.
A trapezoid is
like a diamond.
Pizza Hut. Think of Pizza Hut. Or the thing,
the
the
seal with the ball.
thing the dancing seal
This is a
stands on at the circus.
trapezoid.
Oh, I thought it was in heaven. I thought it was in
All right, tell me about this shape. It's the trapezoid. Number one,
It
start.
has
Go.
2 equal sides.
Wait. I don't think
It has
it's a acute angle.
If you have to look at it,
So
look at
it
it.
has it doesn't have 4 right
This.
angles.
It's an acute angle. You go
And
like
it
this.
also has
And it's 4.
So the square you guys had down really well. Everybody knows their square. Rectangle seemed to be a little bit more challenging. I heard some people say that the rectangle had 4 equal sides, but that's a square. Its opposite sides are equal, so think of a rectangle. Its opposite sides are equal, but all 4 sides are not equal. The top and the bottom are equal, the left and the right are equal.
So let's look at that. On the rectangle, we have the top and the bottom are the same, correct? And then the sides. So what do we call the top and the bottom? These lines are parallel. Very good. And these lines are parallel. What does parallel mean? Are they going to touch or not touch?
Not touch.
Not touch. Very good.
So its opposite sides are parallel and its opposite sides are equal length.